Yo, shout out to the homie Mickey Facts. I'm one of them Bronx niggas that feeling like paradise up in this shit. I swear to God, dogs. Cause I'm great like that. God made me just good like that. To just be like that. How I'm like that. When I'm like that. I'm just born to be saying that high shit that you provide for each day. Cause each day they just try to play your way. Man, if you saw, man, you just lost. Man, I ain't lost with shit. I just gotta keep my shit up for all the niggas. Gotta keep their shit up. That's why you just feeling like crap while I'm feeling like paradise. Cause I don't mind feeling the way that I feel, man. I'm just supposed to be feeling my way. I ain't supposed to be feeling no way, bitch. I'm in paradise, man. I get a lot of shit my way. I hardly even gotta try. I don't even think I gotta go to Hollywood. Everything in the city live. What the fuck you think? You wouldn't know if you really don't even got it like that. Many don't even know you like that. You don't do much to be known how I'm known, so I don't care about you. All the girls is looking just right. All my homies getting money just right. I see a lot of fly shit, do a lot of fly shit. You barely, so get your ass out of here. I'm feeling like paradise. Talking to my homies in the beard, feeling just the same way. And you don't really got much style. That's what your style is. Just we get out of my face, man. I only got time. I'm only trying to be surrounded by some real shit. I ain't trying to be surrounded by no shit. If you just fall, then I might have to get it out your way, man. I'm just trying to get real for life, and you try to get force for life, and ain't about that. And moving forward and getting cash and keep getting clean, so you can see me doing better, cause that's what I'm meant to do. Do worse, that's what she meant to do, and him too, cause they just poor vision ass people, smell ass shit, yes ass people. I don't even care. You see me get funny money, cause I'm just funny, honey. Yeah, you just lunny. Yeah, you can't punny. And now I'm stunting for the paparazzi. And now I'm stunting for that honey. That's just coming from who, what, I don't know, cause I'm just honey. Yeah. I'm feeling like paradise anywhere you see me in the X, BK. Anywhere, Harlem, I'm all paradise everywhere. It don't really matter, my ram is tight. I can do it any night. I ain't gotta really fight. You just gotta fight, cause you just whack like shit. You ain't like my nigga 5. Oh.